Hi, my name is Stephanie and I work here at Transferwise for the customer support team. So today I'm going to help you how to set up an account with us. It's super easy, you're going to see it. After you set up an account with us, you can send money at the real exchange rate, the same as you can see on Google. You can have a multi-currency account with us and you can save up your money in different currencies and have bank details in different currencies as well. And you can order a debit card. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna open our website, transferwise.com, that looks like this. Or you can even open our app. So you're gonna click on the register button on the top right corner. So you're gonna give us your email address and you're gonna create a new password. Please type a password that's gonna have some numbers and different characters and letters. We kindly ask you to not put your dog's name. We do love dogs, but that's not the place for them to be at. After setting up your account, as you can see, you can send money into the real exchange rate up to 8 times cheaper around the world. You can open a multi-currency account and hold your money in different currencies. For example, you can hold your currency in euro, in GBP, and you can convert between them and many other currencies that we support. And you can ask for bank details in some of these currencies. You can also receive money from third parties when you have your bank details with us. You can also order your Transferwise debit card. And with that, you can shop online and you can travel with it and pay on the local currency or some currency that you already have on your balances. And that's it. If you want to know more how to set up your first transfer or more about Transferwise, you can have a look at the links in our description. So all you guys can see more about our product. See ya! Till next time.